Grace Kitchens presents Creative Cooking, a season of popular favorites featuring dishes for every meal of the day. And here now is today's host.
Our special guest today is Simone Walker, a culinary instructor at the Boulevard Baptist Church Skills Training Center. Hi Simone, we welcome you to Creative Cooking.
Hi Maisie, thanks for having me here today.
We are delighted to have you, Simone. Simone, I know you over the years to be entering the JCDC Festival of Foods sponsored by Grace Kennedy, and you have consistently won gold medals.
Yes, that is true.
And now we're here, you're a certified culinarian. Congratulations.
Thank you very much.
Tell us about that course of study.
To be a certified culinarian, I pursue a course at the Runaway Bay Heart Institute along with the Culinary Institute of America, where on completion of the course, I did an assessment and then I was successful, so I'm now branded with the title as a certified culinarian.
Simone, tell us about the plans you have for the future.
Well, in the very near future, I'd like to become an executive chef.
Yes.
And not too far from that, I would be a master chef. I really want to be a master chef.
Tell us about the difference between the executive chef and the master chef.
Okay, an executive chef is in charge of the kitchen. He's like the manager for the kitchen.
He oversees everything.
He oversees all the productions and the operation of the kitchen.
Yeah.
A master chef is like 2 steps higher than an executive chef, where he has mastered the culinary arts, just about everything in cooking.
What advice do you have for aspiring young chefs?
Well, my advice would be that keep abreast of all the new trends, keep reading. As a chef, you must read a lot, because you want to be competitive, you want to be current, and you want to be updated with all the new things in cooking.
Simone, what are you cooking for us today?
Today I'll be preparing Grace spicy coconut shrimp. Today I'll be preparing for you Grace spicy coconut shrimp, Grace vegetable oil, add about 2 tablespoons to our pot. Our garlic. We're going to add our curry, our Grace jerk seasoning, just want to get this all in. To that we add our shrimp. These over here. Now I'm going to add some scallion tops. Okay, this is our Grace coconut milk. Add some Grace coconut milk. And we mix to combine again. This is our cornstarch, just to hold all of that together. Our julienne, yellow, red peppers, and green peppers. So our garnish, and we mix. And of course, our Grace hot pepper sauce. Because since it's spicy shrimp, we want to get it nice and spicy. About 2 tablespoons of Grace pepper sauce. And our shrimp is ready because shrimp cooks very quickly. And I'm just going to put it into our platter over here. There we go. Dinner is ready.
Hi Simone.
Hello Maisie.
That was a quick and easy dinner idea. Let us talk about it. You know, families are always looking for quick and easy meal ideas that will get them out of the kitchen in a short time. But at the same time, serving their family a meal that is appealing, that strikes the eye, and naturally the palate.
And tasty too.
And tasty too. And this is one such meal.
Yes, it is.
It is quick and easy. How long, remind me how long it takes to prepare shrimp?
It takes 10 minutes to prepare medium shrimp.
And
Once the pot is hot, it's not going to take more than 10 minutes.
And the key is heating the pan,
Heat in the pan.
adding the oil afterwards.
Definitely.
Right. Simone, thanks for preparing dinner for us today.
Maisie, it was my pleasure to do so.
Can we invite you to come and prepare another meal for us? Another
Absolutely, yes.
time? Okay. Today's question from the mailbox asks, what are some of the ways that coconut may be used? Joining me for today's program is Mrs. Paulette Roden, the Managing Director of Crimson Dawn Limited. Mrs. Roden, welcome to Creative Cooking.
It's nice to be here with you, Maisie.
Mrs. Roden, as a child, I remember Jamaica growing an abundance of coconut. The levels are not as great as then, but we still produce a lot of coconuts,
Yes.
right? What are some of the uses of?
Well, as you know, coconut is an indigenous product of the Caribbean.
Right.
And in specific,
Dominica.
Dominica,
Yeah.
that is one of their staple products for export. The byproducts from it naturally is oil and soap.
Right.
Well, coconut is a very healthy food, and it has been the staple diet from the Arawak or Taínos Indians,
Right.
Carib Indians, and now the natives of the country.
Right.
Here in Jamaica, we use the coconut as an enhancement or as a decoration or as a actual product. So if you remember when you were a child, it was a great pleasure to go to see your grandmother because you were going to get a toto. And toto was definitely made with coconut. Now, as you are aware, the rice and peas on a Sunday dinner
Is never
never complete without a little coconut milk in it. It is good that if you really wanted to make a quick rice and peas, Grace is there now helping you. You actually get your red kidney beans in a convenient tin,
Right.
and then you can add your coconut cream, and you're way ahead of making your stew peas or your rice and peas for the evening. We in the Caribbean usually eat a lot of products that has been cooked with coconut milk. But today, I think the chefs have come alive and they're now exposing some of these dishes to our tourists and visitors.
We're creating fusion of cuisines. Right?
And so you have the coconut being used in
Sauces,
stews,
gravies,
and it is used in pastries and toppings, and even in ice cream.
Oh yes, it does make a beautiful
Ice cream. And I think Jamaica was one of the first countries that actually made coconut ice cream.
Mrs. Roden, as always, we thank you for sharing with us on our program, and we hope that you'll come again.
It will be my pleasure.
Thank you. We look forward to hearing from you. Your questions and comments are appreciated. Till next time, we thank you for watching.
Make it a date to tune into Smile Jamaica, 7:35 every Monday morning, with a repeat every Sunday at 2:50 p.m. That's Creative Cooking by Grace Kitchens. Don't miss it.